Hello, welcome to Matrikon OPC how-to videos for HA data sources through UA Explorer. The setup I have here is a wrapped simulation server with HDA data on it. I have a couple different tools that are writing some values to make sure that there's constant values and some random values. So we have UA Tunneler here that's wrapping that source to create a HA data source for us to play with. So you can see we're connected to the UA wrapper here. And we have some values here, just overview of the view here is going into Tunneler. And you can just see that we've got a few different pieces here that are set up. So I have a random Boolean value and a random int value. So we'll just bring the random Boolean in to the HA access view. And just in case you don't know, there's two different views. There's a data access and a history access. We're working with the history access view right here. And then we'll also grab an int, random value there. And then we can choose one of these or both of them to read the values from. There's quite a bit of values in there, so I'll just do them one at a time. This one here is the random Boolean. Submit that, and you'll see it returns a bunch of the values and the timestamps. And now we'll do the random one, random int, simply put, and there you can see we have a bunch of values that have been generated over the last hour or so. So that's how we would use OPC UA Explorer to view a data source that is not through Data Broker.
Thank you for watching this Matrikon tutorial video. If you found this information useful and want to see more of this type of content, smash that like button and leave a comment in the page below. Don't forget to subscribe to this Matrikon videos channel for more tutorials and other related videos, and ring the bell to get updates on new content.